folks, welcome back to Focus ST Ownership. It's been a wee while since I posted a video up, let's be honest, and a lot of stuff has happened with the car. I'm going to leave that for a future video though, and today we're going to install a lip kit on the car. Down the line I do want to get an actual decent lip for the car, but I don't know if I'm going to like what it looks like, so I figured before I splash out on a decent lip I'm going to get one of these eBay lips. So what I've got is, and I still haven't opened it yet, one of these $8.99 lips that you get from eBay. It's basically like a rubber strip, so we're going to open it up and see if it's any good. Yeah. So this is kind of what you get, kind of rolled up. It feels kind of soft, to be honest. It's kind of got a really funny smell, but it's basically like a rubber lip. Stick some of the M3 tape to the underside of the car and you trim it to fit, basically. It looked okay in some of the pictures that I've seen that people have of it, so let's go and see how it fits on the car. So that's the lip kit installed. I'm not 100% on how it looks, to be honest. I don't like the fact that it has to curve up and down with the front bumper, but you can't really help that because that's the shape of the bumper, and I guess that's the nature of having this stick-on thing. They don't give you screws with this kit, but they do with some of the kind of more pricey lip kits, but again I didn't go with the pricier one because I wasn't sure how it was going to look. I think at the end of the day I prefer the kind of standard kind of flat lips that you get, kind of I think Maxton Designs do them and so on. There's a few people that do them, but they're, you know, 90 quid plus. That was $8.99 off eBay, and I will put the link that I purchased that from in the description if it's something that you like. The reason I mentioned screws is that obviously it's M3 tape that holds on, which should be fine if you clean the underside of the bumper well enough. But you can use drywall screws or plasterboarding screws, just kind of general black screws really that can go up through the bumper, but I'm not going to put them on because to be honest I'm not convinced that that's going to stay on the car, and if it is, it's not going to be on for long because I'll just get a genuine decent lip. But it adds a bit of style to the car for now, and this at least let me see how I think the car looks with it. Again, if it's something that you like, go for it. In terms of updates, I need to do a kind of update video on the car and then start actually doing more videos on me doing things to the car, because I haven't really done much. All I've had recently is problems, and it was kind of breaking my heart to do videos just on problems with the car. So I would rather do videos on me doing things to the car. But the reason for the update video is I will talk through everything that went wrong with the car and things that might go wrong for you and how I dealt with them, basically, which will be useful. But I felt that just trying to film everything that was going on at the time wasn't gonna get me anywhere, and it would just slow things down. So thanks very much for watching this video. I hope it was useful to you. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know your thoughts in the comments on what you think of the lip, and if you liked it, cool. If you think I should keep it for a bit, then cool. I think it will stay on the car for a wee while, unless it falls off. But again, I'll give you updates on how long it lasts as well, being only $8.99 from eBay. Thanks again anyway for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.